ICT makes it easier for me since we can get information much faster, which can be verified as accurate, and which is convenient when there is an incoming deadline or a task that needs immediate and accurate information.
For me, affects ICT to my daily life and to society to easy communicate to my loved ones and easy to my study. Example, I'm going to search Google Scholar for my research and natutulungan ako nito para makuha or magkaroon ng idea tungkol sa research ko. And sa communication naman, pag malayo yung LDR, ganun, mas madali na natin silang makakausap or matatawagan.
As a student, it makes my life more efficient, more connected, and more enjoyable. And it helps me to become more organized, more informed, and stay productive every day.
Ang ICT po ay nakakatulong sa aming communication po sa bawat isa, mga family ko po, family at mga estudyante din po. For example po is yung father ko po ay umuwi pa ng probinsya for 3 days. Ay, hindi po namin siya makausap. Through messenger. Ito po namin ay makakausap po siya at makaka-video call. And ito po ay nakakatulong kasi yung news po, kung ano po nangyari doon at kung anong ginagawa niya doon, kalalaman po namin. So, ayun lang po.
ICT is very important on us because without ICT, there will be no apps such as called Messenger and Gmail, which you can communicate faster and easier. And many daily tasks such as studying, working, and doing business will be harder to accomplish, and it will take a lot of time to submit without ICT.
So, ICT helps me for every aspect of my daily life, like for communication, education, entertainment, and others. Like for example, when I need some information, I will just scroll and search through my phone for fast access to get some information. And that's it.